HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add zeros before a number in Excel. As you can see on your screen, we've got different numbers of varying lengths over here. This one's 2-digit long, this one's 3-digit long, and this is 5-digit long. Now let's suppose these are some kind of IDs and we want all of these to be 5-digit long. Now in order to do this, if we try to add some 3 zeros here and then press enter, by default Excel doesn't allow you to add zeros before a number. So there are a couple of ways of doing it. First one is if we add an apostrophe here and then add 3 zeros and then press enter. Now what happens is when we add an apostrophe before a number in Excel, it changes it from a number to the text format, and this is okay if you have only few numbers to be changed. You can do it manually one by one. However, there's another way of doing it. Let's go back to our original data. So if there's another way of doing it, by going to this tab here and then selecting the text format. Now this would again work, but what we need in this scenario is that we want 3 zeros, or we want zeros to be added so each number is 5-digit long. Now this won't help in this scenario, but just by changing it to the text value. Now in order to do this, there's another way of doing it. We can do this by selecting all the values, and then we can either right click, go to format cells. There are a couple of ways of getting to this dialog box. You can also do this by going to this arrow over here. It will bring you the format cells, and the shortcut key for this is Ctrl+1. So if you press Ctrl+1, it brings you to the same dialog box for format cells. Now here, if we go to the custom section here it allows me to add a new custom format. So let's remove this general one, and now what we want to do is, as we want the numbers to be 5-digit long, we're going to add 5 zeros here. And as you can see on the sample on top, it shows us that it has added 3 numbers, and this is how the number will look in the data. Now what we've done here is that we have told Excel that we want all the numbers in our data range to be 5-digit long by adding 5 zeros. Now let's see, when we press OK, let's see how the data looks. As you can see, it has automatically added the zeros before the numbers where the numbers are not 5-digit long. So this is a good way of doing it and a clean way of doing it if you have a large set of data. Hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it now. It really helps us bring more informative content for you. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.